When you're connecting to a Wi-Fi with your Windows laptop, the easiest way to do this is to look in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. You'll see the clock, your battery status, and then you'll see your internet status next to it. Click that, and a few options will pop up. First, in the top left corner, we have the Wi-Fi toggle, and this has two parts. The button of the left allows you to turn the Wi-Fi on and off. And since we're trying to connect to a Wi-Fi network, we'll obviously want the Wi-Fi turned on. Blue means on, by the way, if it wasn't clear. The little arrow next to it allows you to view all nearby Wi-Fi networks. You'll simply click the network you want to connect to, and before clicking Connect, you can also determine whether you'd like your computer to always automatically connect to this Wi-Fi in the future. Then, just hit Connect and type in the password if the Wi-Fi requires one. If you're connecting to a standard home Wi-Fi, you'll usually find the password written on the bottom of the router. That's it! You're connected, and you can come back to this menu on the bottom right anytime to disconnect if needed. Another way to do this would be through your system settings. First, we'll click the Start menu on the bottom and go to Settings. Or you can hold down the Windows key and press the letter I. That's the keyboard shortcut for your settings panel. Once you're in the settings, you'll first click Network and Internet on the left, and you'll see your Wi-Fi on the very top of that menu. Once again, there's a Wi-Fi toggle, and if you click the menu itself, you'll see more options. Here, I see my current network, and below that, there's a drop-down menu for all available networks. Similar to what I showed earlier, if you aren't connected already, you just click an available network, type in the password, and connect. Or, if you'd like to disconnect from your current network, that can be done through here as well. And that's how you connect to Wi-Fi on your Windows computer. Click that like button down there if this helped, subscribe for more simple guides like this, and I'll see you all in the next video.